go then further, or let's say we don't go further, the robots go further, because we have an AMR with a cobot on top, which then comes automatically, grabs the box and then brings it to the next station, namely the assembly station. And at the assembly station, it is where we then assemble the wristband as such. That means that we have here the wristband. It is then here sewed together in the first step. So you have a closed wristband, and from there the further assembly happens with a pick-by-light system, which guides you through which steps have to be done at what point. Another element we have here, for example, is the RFID chip, which we have here. It is programmed here on the station, then included. Then we have different kinds of pockets, different, let's say, colors, which can be applied. And then it is finally then sewn together. And then you have your ready-made wristband ready. So it is ready and produced. What step comes next is